The cottages and houses, the villages and towns, the streets and the communities. This is our common ground. Here, every hour is an inspiration. Every day is a legacy. Every life finds its foundation where we learn who we could be.
School, where Wales was made, where Grand Slam winners learned to play, where Welsh artists, singers, actors, thinkers first stepped onto the stage to shine. They saw the world with new eyes, made hadron particles collide. There've been 4 Welsh winners of the Nobel Prize, and someone, somewhere, right now, might be dreaming of becoming number 5.
And so it's time to make our mark, to say this is where our journey starts. It's time to show the world what Wales knows, how strong we can stand, how tall we can grow, that we've got ideas and skills we can share. What brought us here can take us anywhere.
What vision will we bring to life? How far will our ambition fly? We're the world shapers, the future makers. We are Team Wales.